Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to get Matic Polygon on your Trust wallet. So first you need to make sure that you're logged into your Trust wallet and you're using the updated version. So as you can see, this is what it looks like, and all you have to do is to tap this update here. Okay, so we have zero balance. Now, in order for you to get Matic Polygon, all you have to do is to tap this icon at the top right corner, like the arrows, I guess. These are arrows icon. I'm not sure about that. But you have to tap this one. And then once you tap this, you can see a search icon or search bar. Now type the word Polygon here. Okay. And then once you type this one, Matic word will appear. As you can see, the second one. You have other options if you're going to put the keyword Polygon, but all you have to do is to tap this Matic. Okay, and then you need to toggle this one on. You have to turn it on. Okay, just slide it to the right. And then once done, you can see here that your Matic has zero balance. And then in order for you to use this, of course, you have options here like send, receive, buy, more. And then when you scroll down, you can see here buy Matic. So you can just explore this. And if you're going to tap this buy Matic, you can see here a QR code. Okay, so receive Matic, you can use this QR code for receiving and also sending. You can also copy, you can even share this QR code, okay, for deposit or exchange, something like that. Okay, so once done, you can go back and you can see your balance here. If you send or you receive something, the amount will pop up. You can see the amount right here. If you find this informative, please like and subscribe, and see you again in our next videos.